Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's NeIra. If you are new, welcome and be sure to subscribe. Today I will be reviewing the wig fix for you guys today by the Renatural. I've been seeing this everywhere on Instagram and I'm like, how is this gonna work? Like, isn't it going to show? Like, why? But I got sent this by them, so I was like, hey, let's review it. So the texture of this product is like a silicone. It's actually really soft. And it's actually comfortable on your head and stuff. They are the original creator of the wig fix, by the way, just letting you know. They're the one that came up with the idea. They're the one that made it. So yeah, so the braids that I have in is just really big braids that I was like, let me just review this because I've been wearing my natural hair out for a little bit. And as you can see, I put it like behind my hairline a little bit, so I didn't know if it would show or not. This wig right there is by 𝚂𝙷𝙾𝙿. If you want to get a custom wig, check me out. It'll be in the description below. And also, for this to like be good on your head, your wig has to fit your head good. So this is a frontal, and I'm like, would a frontal even work? Because honestly, at times I don't be wanting to put glue, and I'm just like, I kind of want to just throw it on and I could take it out when I want to, like, you know, them fast days. And this is the product. Look, it wasn't moving. I'm like, what? It's not possible. But as you can see, the ear tabs are like still up, so you would have to like spray it down with some type of spray so it lays down, or use mousse. But again, your wig needs to fit secure for this product to be effective for you. Right here, I'm just using some mousse just to fix up the baby hairs and help the lace lay more. Cause like without glue, of course your lace is gonna flip a little bit, but like for it to not move at all, y'all, with this thing, I was like, dang, this is kind of cool. Like, it's really cool. Still can't even wear it with the updo and your wig is not glued down. Like, that's like unheard of. Half of the time, if I want to do this style right here that you see, my wig has to be glued down, and it's not. I thought like, wow, this is amazing. So I did tie the front down so I could just get the most layage and see like what this looked like is glued down. Tell me that's not glued down, y'all. I was shook. That's why I'm like, what? That thing looks like it's glued down, but still the edges right there was still going up. But if you do have that problem, just spray it down. But look, y'all, I couldn't believe it. I cannot believe it. Right here, you don't see the wig fix under, which I was worried about, and I'm like, what? This is cool. I'm not gonna lie, I was honestly shocked. Like, it was too cool to me, and I will be showing you how I put on the other wig, and it still look natural, and you don't wig fix under. And honestly, all you have to do is just fix the edges, throw it on, fix the edges, and you're good, and your wig's not going nowhere, even if it's like not glued. Look, what? This is amazing. I would recommend you purchasing it if you don't like to use glue on your hair. But yeah, see, don't see the wig fix at all. That part that you see is clearly the cap right there. It's kind of lifting up, but It honestly doesn't matter because it's not going to move and people really won't see it. I didn't fix the front because I know I was going to just take it off. I was just showing you guys how it looked. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out 𝚑raslegacy.com.